If you're a middle school math teacher looking for more resources for distributive property, you are in luck. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the only distributive property resources that you will need for your middle school math class. If we don't already know each other, my name is Kathy Martin and I'm the creator of the Prealgebra Teachers Middle School Math Membership. We are your one-stop shop for everything you need to teach middle school math. Again, in this video, you will walk away with some awesome distributive property resources. And if you happen to be watching this video when it goes live, they are Halloween themed, so it is perfect for this season. If you're watching this later when it's not Halloween, it's totally okay too, because all the resources are super fun, super engaging, and easy to use. So before I show you what the resources are, I just want to show you very quickly how I teach distributed property. I try to make it as easy as possible for my students. So let's dive in. I just really quickly want to show you an example of how I teach this. So if this is something that you might need, something that you will find beneficial, I just want to share with you. So really quickly, I'm just going to take a very simple problem like 3x plus 5. Okay, so the way that I show my students to distribute is we talk about how distributed property means multiplying everything outside with everything inside, okay? But I think for students that can get a little bit confusing, but we always we always talk about in my classroom that distributing means multiplying. So I tell my students to rainbow the outside with the inside number. So 3 times x is 3x, and then we rainbow the second number. I will use green just to make it a little bit more. We rainbow the second number. So 3 times positive 5, that's going to be positive 15. I like to have my students do this one at a time because sometimes they'll do the rainbow motion and they will forget to actually multiply. So I just wanted to show you very quickly how simple I make distributed property. It's just by simply showing them how to rainbow. Okay, so let's dive into some of these activities. The first activity I want to show you are my Halloween themed task cards. I love task cards because you can use them for so many things like a homework alternative, classwork, you can use them in stations. You don't have to use all of the task cards. I have 15 here. You can pick and choose what you want. And there's a page for students to show your work. And of course, there's an answer key. You can have them, pick 10 to do and then in class and then 5 for homework. Or you can pick, the first 5 for them to do in class and then give them the rest for homework, whatever you want to do. But there's so many ways to use these and you can use them over and over again, like every year. Next, I want to show you our this or that activity. You can actually make this digital if you want. You can just upload it to your Google Classroom and have students, use like the crayon feature and color it in, but they're just simply shading which one is the correct answer. So you have 3 times x minus 2 is the answer, this or that. Shade in the correct answer. And then boom, I have the answers for you. Okay, third, we have a total of 5 activities. How lucky are you that you have found this video and that you're gonna be able to grab all 5 of these totally for free. Okay, next we have distributed property using our mystery puzzle activity. So you can see here, these are all the questions. If I slide my bar over, it is a blank puzzle. So what your students will do is they will answer the question. Assuming I get this correct, 8x plus 56, I'm gonna hit enter and you can see, oops, not equals 56. That's why it's wrong. Should say plus 56. Okay, so you can see here, a piece of the puzzle just popped up. And you could see actually that was actually perfect because I actually entered the wrong thing. I hit the equal sign instead. And because nothing happened in my picture, and your students will know that they got it wrong. So this activity is actually self-correcting, which is even more amazing. And finally, when they finish, the whole image will come out like this. All right. Fourth, we have our mix and match math activity. Students will simply drag the green question and match them with the pink answers. So let's drag them around. And of course, there's an answer key for you. And then finally, we have our pixel art activity. Same idea as the mystery puzzle, self-correcting, but this is a pixel art. So it's totally blank right now. And assuming your students get this correct, so if I get 2x plus 6, I actually did that wrong by accident. I wrote 2x plus 5, and you see nothing happened. That means I got it wrong. Oh shoot, so I got to put in the right answer. And you can see when I punched in the right answer, some of the pixel pieces have come up. And when they finish it, it will look like this. How cool is that? Super engaging, self-correcting, amazing. If you would like to grab all 5 of these activities for your class, use the link right in the description box so you can download this absolutely free. And if you have any questions about how I teach distributive property, let me know in the comments. I am happy to help. I'm excited for you to use these resources. Please let me know in the comments if you've enjoyed these resources, how your students have enjoyed them, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye for now.